For today's word study lesson, you will need to find onto Schoology and find the assignment you see here. Earlier today, we talked about R-influenced syllables. So today you are going to be breaking up these words into their syllables and notice how the R can change the vowel sound. We're going to do the first one together. This word is disturbance. Usually the U would say an sound, but when it's combined with the R, it comes out with a sound. If you have trouble figuring out the syllables, clap them out. I know that dis is our first syllable, so I'm going to click my mouse into the first box and type D-I-S. The next second syllable, or the next syllable, is tur, T-U-R, and then the third syllable is bence, B-A-N-C-E. Those are the three syllables that make up the word disturbance. You need to go through and finish this entire page. I'm going to read the words for you in case you're not sure. This word is ornament. This word is circular, tolerate, sarcastic, formula, survival, formation, interval, imperfect, torpedo, and performance. When you're all done, make sure you hit submit assignment for your teacher.